Here's the plan. I'm headed to Kansas City. I'm gonna jump on an airplane with Brian Gum. He's the dude in charge of Raw Street Roasting. He's gonna find the people that I need to hug that grew my favorite coffee, Divine Inspiration. We're also gonna grab celebrity chef Renee Kelly because she wanted to come along. Also, my brother-in-law Tyler wants to come because he's addicted to coffee. It's 3:30 a.m. We're going over to jump on the truck with all the coffee pickers and go pick coffee today. Let's do this.
Okay. You guys jump in.
Keep making stops and picking up more. We still have room. Oh, we're finally here after an hour-and-a-half commute through the mountains. Whew. I'm waiting in line to get a basket so I can go pick coffee. Dairy.
I want to hold this up.
Basket. All right, we all have our baskets, and now we're going to the coffee field. This is Coffee Picking 101. These are all the coffee trees. The banana trees provide shade to keep the coffee plant cool. We're up in the mountains. It's cooler up here. The coffee loves it. Here are coffee cherries. See the color of my wristband? That's basically the color you're looking for. This is a coffee cherry. There's the coffee bean. There's two of them.
Any beans that are left right now are delaying the future harvest. So that's why we have to protect this future harvest. So we're going to cut our losses, and any cherries that are left, we're going to take them off because look, we have flowering coming up.
I love it here. I'm from Kansas! Woo!
So am I.
Finally found Renee. How are you doing?
Hey! I'm so slow at picking beans.
See.
Yay! My first bag of beans! Ta-da!
I think they're cherries, but whatever.
I only have like 10 more baskets of beans to pick today. Y'all better enjoy your freaking coffee.
I've been enjoying mine. This is Ross. He's a red-eyed tree frog. And this is the circle of coffee life. Ross takes care of the coffee. We take care of Ross. all young coffee plants. I don't think they're producing yet. It takes like 3 to 5 years to produce coffee. And at this point in the coffee's life, they're trying to control weeds. And instead of using chemicals, they use machetes. Oh wow, look at how clean that is.
¡A los estados!
Yeah. Renee!
Yeah!
We gotta take a sloth selfie. All right, we're headed up into the mountains and gather all their bags of coffee. I got this.
Es que la agarra en medio.
It's very berry. Very berry coffee. You can cut them up and like fry them like a potato chip. This is why you travel with a chef. Smoked tomato?
Hey, click on this box if you want to try my favorite coffee and send me a video of you taste testing it.
What do you taste?
Oh, pumpkin? Yeah.
Pumpkin?
What about ginger?
Ginger? No, I don't taste the ginger.
Hold the ginger.
Hold the ginger.